Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this pretty 613 30-inch bust down wig step by step, of course. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to the end of today's video. Go ahead and follow my social medias and then we're going to get straight into the video. Alright you all, so I already put on my ball cap and now I'm going to go ahead and take some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad and I'm going to go ahead and wipe in front of the ball cap. And this is just to get rid of all the grease and oils or makeup that just may be on your skin that the glue wouldn't adhere to, if that makes sense. So you're just going to go ahead and see me wipe off right in front of the ball cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this skin protectant, which is going to protect your skin. This can be found on my Amazon storefront, which is in the link in description. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this foundation stick and you put it on a beauty blender and you're just going to go ahead and put this all on the ball cap, making sure to put it in there so that the ball cap can look like your skin.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
So this is the wig that we are going to be installing today. It is a 613 lace front wig, 13x4. I went ahead and I toned the wig and I also plucked the wig beforehand and I styled it, of course. But I went ahead and I cut off that excess lace at the bottom and I went ahead and tightened up the straps in the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my actual foundation on a brush and put that on the inside of the lace so the inside of the lace can be tinted to look like our skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and just put the wig on with no glue or anything. This is just for me to size the wig to make sure it's going to, look right. If it's not looking right, you do not want to install the wig. You want to fix it before you even install it. So this is me just making sure that it's going to fit from the front of my head to the ears and that there's no extra, hairs anywhere, that you can't see the ball cap, the hairs in front of the ball cap and things like that. Because if you can see the ball cap, you just need to fix it.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take these scissors and I just cut off the sides in the front just because I can't see, like it goes over my eyes. And let me just look. Y'all, I ripped this damn wig and look, I done ripped the lace. Do not be like me, okay? Do not be like me.
Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away.
So now that everything is looking good, I'm gonna go ahead and just flip the lace back. You don't have to flip the lace back. I just think it's easier to work with the wig when it's flipped back. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this lace glue, which also can be found in the link in the description on my Amazon storefront. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dot out on my hairline right where the ball cap is and just a little bit in front of it so that it's on my skin.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal.
Now I'm going to go ahead and use this popsicle stick to go ahead and smoothing out the glue to make sure everything is even, that the glue dries evenly as well. And over here, the ball cap was lifting a little bit, so I went ahead and took the popsicle stick and basically like pushed the ball cap back down so that it would stick. If this does happen to you, do not panic. Just go ahead and add some glue, pull it down, you know, get it to act right. And now before you do anything else, before you apply another layer or put the wig on, you do need to have the glue dry clear before doing anything. So now that the glue is clear, I went ahead and I put a second layer. Now I don't wear my wigs for too long. I wear them for less than a week, so I only do 2 layers. But you're basically going to repeat what you did the first time putting on the layers, exactly what you do for the next layers. Okay, so now that the glue is dried clear, and here goes me listening to Raw Wave, of course, you know. But now that it's clear, now we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the installation. So you're gonna take it, now since I did a middle part, I know where the middle of the wig is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the middle of the lace right on the middle of my forehead. Press that in super good. And then you're gonna go ahead and take the side of the wig and you're gonna lay that down, making sure that it's on top of the glue, and press that down. Now when you press it down, it should not bounce back up. It should be sticking on its own. Now since I ripped this side of the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and work my magic. If this does happen to you, go ahead and just put the lace where it was supposed to be before you ripped it. Now, like I said before, as you can see, I ripped the lace, but I'm going to go ahead and apply some extra pressure there so that it can stick and, you know, look normal. But now I'm going to go ahead and put my elastic band on, and we're going to let that sit for at least 30 minutes. Now, this is a Unice elastic band. This wig is not from Unice. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, so don't get fooled. But I'm going to go ahead and let that elastic band sit for 30 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Alright you all, so 30 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead and take the band off, and now we're going to go ahead and proceed with cutting the lace off. So I like to go ahead and section off the hair so that it is out of our way. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, and you can use an eyebrow razor, whatever works for you. I like scissors just because it's easier to handle, but I'm going to go ahead pressing the lace to make sure it's not lifting, it's dried. And I'm going to go ahead and cut right where it's sticking, basically like all the extra lace, you're going to cut that off. Now with this process, you do want to go very close to the skin. Just don't cut your skin, of course, but the closer you get to the skin, the better, because you don't want any excess lace that's, you know, not even glued to your skin lifting up.
I love you.
So now when I get to the ear tab section, I like to go ahead and cut up on a little slit, put my 2 fingers, hold a lot of pressure, and then rip that lace back, because that is trash, okay? Don't be scared, because you don't need that lace. That lace is just unnecessary. That's so your ears can pop out and your ears can breathe. You just throw away the extra lace. If you don't feel like ripping it, you're too scared, just go ahead and cut it off. And then I went ahead and did the other side off camera, but now I'm gonna go ahead and brush back the hair, you know, get everything nice and neat. I'm gonna go ahead in with our second melt using spritz. So I'm gonna spray this on my finger because I don't like to directly spray it on the lace. I feel like it just floods the lace and then the lace acts very weird. So I like to spray it on my fingers and then press it in. After pressing it in, you're going to go ahead and let it dry just a little bit, and then you're going to go ahead and put back on your elastic band. I let this melt in for like another 30 minutes. This is just to ensure that, you know, your lace is giving scalp and it's not giving lace. So 30 minutes later, here I am again, so you guys didn't have to wait 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the hair sections for my edges, because now we're going to go ahead and do our edges. So you see me pulling out the hairs, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut them. Alright, you all, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this Got To Be Glue Extra Glue Gel for my edges. I'm going to go ahead and take my edge comb, edge brush, and go in C motions doing my edges. Alright YouTube, so this is going to be the final product for today's video. Of course, as you can see, wig melted, lace melted, edges slayed, everything is just done and looking good. Okay, y'all know your girl's a blonde, but not my actual blonde. Okay, so this is going to be the end of today's video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow my social medias if you haven't, and then you guys will catch me in the next video.